Good morning class. Today I want to describe about number system for class 9th exercise 1.4 question number 2. Concentrate your mind and listen my words. Firstly I want to describe about visualization of 4.26 bar on number line up to 4 decimal places. Up to 4 decimal places. Question is clear. I want to describe about integers and about number line, because you can ask question very easily what is integers and what is number line. So I want to describe integers and number line before you asking. Clear? No confusion. Integers, the combination of whole number with negative of natural number is called integers. Integer is clear. The combination of whole number with negative of natural number is called integers. When you write all integers on a line, then it becomes a number line. Clear? Number line and integers. Clear? No confusion about number line and integers. Very good. It is very easy. It is very easy. Visualization of 4.26 bar on number line up to 4 decimal places is very easy. But you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. Okay. See the board. NCERT number system class 9 exercise 1.4 question number 2. Clear? Visualize 4.26 on number line up to 4 decimal places. Visualize 4.26 bar on number line up to 4 decimal places. Question is clear? No confusion about question? Very good. Okay. See the board. Solution. Visualization of 4.26 bar on number line up to 4 decimal places. Clear? It is number line. Firstly, you draw a number line and put all integers on your line. Clear? No confusion. Here 4, here 5. 4.26 bar is between 4 and 5. Clear? You divide the distance between 4 and 5 into 10 equal parts. Clear? You divide the distance between 4 and 5 into 10 equal parts, because 4.26 bar is between 4 and 5. Clear? No confusion. It is very easy. Very good. See the word. Here 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9 and 5. It is clear? Here 4.2 and 4.3. It means 4.26 bar is between 4.2 and 4.3. So you write 4.2 and 4.3 on number line. Clear? Here 4.2 and here 4.3. You divide the distance between 4.2 and 4.3 into 10 equal parts, because 4.26 bar is between 4.2 and 4.3. Clear? Here 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29 and here 4.3. Clear? Here 4.26 and 4.27. It means 4.26 bar is between 4.26 and 4.27. 7. Clear? Bar means repetition. 4.26 bar means 4.26262626 till infinite. Here 4.26 and 4.27. Clear? 4.26 bar is between 4.26 and 4.27. So you write 4.26 on number line and 4.27 on number line. Clear? You draw another number line and write 4.26 here and 4.27 here. Clear? Now you divide distance between 4.6 and 4.7 into 10 equal parts. Clear? Because 4.26 bar is between 4.26 and 4.27. Clear? Here 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.266, 4.267, 4.268, 4.269 and here 4.27. Clear? Here 4.262 and 263. It means 4.26 bar is between 4.262 and 4.263 because bar means repetition. 4.26 bar means 4.262626 till infinite. Clear? So you write 4.262 and 4.263 on another number line. Clear? Here 4.262 and here 4.263 because 4.26 bar is between 4.262 and 4.263. Clear? No confusion. It is very easy. Clear? See the board. Here 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.2626. Here 4.2627, 4.2628, 4.2629 and here 4.263. Clear? Your answer is 4.2626 till 4 decimal places. Clear? Till 4 decimal places. Here 4.2626 is your answer. It is till 4 decimal places. So your answer, it is clear. You find your answer very easily. It means 4.2626 means 4.26 bar. Clear? You find very easily your answer. It is very easy. You can visualize any number on number line by the help of this solution. But you concentrate your mind and solve your question with full concentration. Clear? No confusion. It is easy or difficult? You can say it is very easy because you find very easily your answer. Clear? You visualize 4.26 bar on number line very easily. Clear? No confusion? Very good. Okay.